Magandang araw muli sa inyong lahat. Narito po si Maestro Sunny para sa E-Class Record Templates based from DepEd Order number 31 series of 2020. Samahan po ninyo ako at atin pong ihalayhay ang E-Class Record Templates para po malaman natin kung paano natin ito gagamitin for this school year 2020-2021. Table 1 para sa weight distribution of summative assessment components per learning area for grade 1 to 10. Para sa languages, aralin panlipunan at edukasyon sa pagpapakatao, meron po tayong 40% para sa written works at 60% para sa performance tasks. Sa science and mathematics, meron po tayong 50% para sa written works at 50% para sa performance tasks. While MAPE, EPP, and TLE, meron po tayong 30% for written works and 70% for performance tasks. So, ayan po yung ating i-compute for this school year 2020-2021. Kung mapapansin ninyo, wala po tayong quarterly exams. Kaya yung percentage po na dapat allotted sa quarterly exams ay hinati for written works and performance tasks. So, meron po tayong sample computation for written works and performance tasks para sa AP, ESP for grade 1 to 10. Ayan. So, dapat maglagay po tayo ng highest possible score. Then, kunin po natin yung learner's raw score para yun po yung i-compute natin. Anyway, ang atin pong template ay automatic nagko-compute siya. So, mag-key in lang tayo ng mga data sa template ay kusa na po siyang magko-compute. Ayan, because ang ating template ay naka-formulated na po. So next, for computation for work performance tasks in math and sciences for grades 1 to 10. So ayan, meron din po tayong highest possible score. Then we should obtain the learner's raw score para yun po yung i-compute natin. So how to use the E-Class record templates? Okay, for advisors of grade 1 to 3 or the self-contained class must download the copy of the school form 1 downloaded from the list. From the downloaded E-Class record files, open the file for the grading period, click the input sheet, then fill in the boxes with the correct or appropriate informations. Then, copy first the name of the male learners from the SF1 and paste them under the male learner's name column. Then afterwards, copy the names of the female learners from the SF1 and paste them under the female learner's name column. Now, if the SF1 is not yet available, then manually encode the names of the learners. Siyempre, gagawin po natin yun pagka wala pa yung SF1, pagka hindi pa ready sa ating list. Then, after completing the input data sheet, click on the subject you want to work on. Then next, encode first the highest possible scores before encoding the learner's raw score in the written work and performance task. You have to take note that there are 10 columns under the written works and performance tasks. If you got only 7 written performance tasks in a quarter, just fill in the 7 column and leave the rest blank. No need to delete the column. Bakit? Kasi baka ma-disalign po yung ating template. Naka-formulated po yun. Hindi po pwedeng basta-basta mag-delete ng columns and rows. If you have more than 10 written or performance tasks, combine the 2 or more scores to fit in the 10 columns. Kung hindi pwedeng mag-delete, hindi rin po pwedeng basta-basta mag-add ng column or rows. Then upon successfully completing all the data needed, initial grade is automatically transmuted to give you the quarterly grade, while quarterly grade is the one reflected on the report card. Then if you have done with all subjects, click the Summary of Quarterly Grade sheet to view the consolidated quarterly grades. Ayan, para makita po natin yung summary. Okay, we have your important reminders. Keep the learner's name from first quarter to fourth quarter in the input sheet. Do not delete names of learners who are transferred out or drop out. Ayan, kasi minsan may mga humihingi ng data ng ating mga eskwela na nag-transfer to other schools. So, kailangan nandun pa rin yung kanilang mga record. The number 2, hide unused rows but keep 2 rows at the end of the last learner's name in each male and female rows to give way for names of possible transferred in learners within the school year. So, dapat meron tayong backup rows kasi baka may mga mag-transferred in na mga learners sa ating school. The names of the transferred in learners after the quarter and the succeeding quarter must be placed after the last learner's name in the male or female column. So, wag nating isingit pag kayong nag-transferred in. Dapat dun na siya sa huli para madali lang po natin ma-identify if those pupils or learners are transferred in. Then, a warning shown below will appear in the E-class record when you encode a raw score higher than the possible score. Just click in, retry, or cancel to continue and encode the correct raw score. Ayan. And the standard printing size is A4. In case of technical problems that you may encounter while using the E-class record, please ask the assistance from your fellow computer skilled teachers. Ayan, meron po tayong mga computer skilled teachers. Yan, sila yung mga techie. Mga kako-teacher po natin na techie. Ito po yung mga sample class record template. So, ito po ay para sa grade 1. Kompletong subject po yan. From MTB to ESP. Then, may summary of quarterly grades po sa dulo. So, unang-una, katulad ng nasabi kanina, i-input yung kanilang name sa input data. Ayan. Then, grade 2. Class record template. Kompleto din po yan. MTB, Filipino, English, Math, AP, Music, Arts, PE, Health, and ESP. Plus the summary of quarterly grades. This for grade 3, ito po kasi yung mga self-contained class, kaya lahat ng subject ay nandyan. So from MTB to ESP ulit, then the summary of the quarterly grades sa dulo. Ayan, nandyan po lahat dyan. For grades 4 to 6, dahil sila po ay departmentalized, so may mga teacher na humahawak sa different subjects, kaya yan po, naka per subject po tayo, pero siya po ay from quarter 1 to quarter 4. So the first one is ESP, quarter 1 to quarter 4 plus the summary of quarterly grades. Ayan, meron din po sa tayong sample computations dyan. Is Aralin Panlipunan. Ayan, quarter 1 to quarter 4 din po yan, plus summary of quarterly grades. Next is EPP. Kompleto din po yan. Another is English. Ayan, quarter 1 to quarter 4 din po yan, plus the summary of quarterly grades. Next, Filipino. Kompleto din po yan. There is MAPE. Next is math. And the last one we have here, science. So from quarter 1 to quarter 4 din po yan, plus the summary of quarterly grades. So yan. Pag na-download po natin yung ating template, madali na lang po yan kasi mag-input lang tayo sa written works at performance task, then kusa na po siyang magko-compute. Paalala lang po, huwag basta-basta mag-delete or mag-insert ng columns or rows kasi madi-disalign po ang mga formula na nakalagay po dyan. Baka hindi po tama yung ma-obtain natin na initial grade at quarterly grade pag nag-delete or nag-add tayo ng mga columns at rows. So yun po yung mahigpit na paalaala kanina na dapat po nating sundin. Okay. Maraming salamat po. Sana po ay makatulong kahit papano itong ating paghalayhay ng ating E-class record template na based sa ating DepEd Order number 31 series of 2020. Maraming salamat po.